Welcome to Module 5, Lesson 20. Let's get started. Today we will be learning how to recognize and show that equivalent fractions have the same size, if not the same shape. We are learning this so that we can understand fractions as equal parts of a whole. We will know that we are successful when we can draw models to show equivalent fractions in different ways. What fraction of these squares is blue? Answer: 1/4. Notice that the whole is partitioned into 4 equal parts, and one of the parts is shaded blue. What fraction of these squares is blue? Answer: 1/4. Notice that the figure is partitioned into 4 equal parts, and one of the parts is shaded blue. How are these figures the same? The figures are the same because they have the same number of units, and they are both 1/4 blue. How are these figures different? The figures are different because they have a different shape. The figures have equivalent fractions because they both have the same number of blues and reds. 1/4 is equal to 1/4. Is the fraction of blue squares equivalent in these figures? No, because equivalent fractions must have the same number of parts of a whole. The figure on the left has 2 blue parts shaded blue, and the figure on the right has 1 part shaded blue. Now it's time for your read, draw, write question. We'll read the question together. Then you'll make a drawing using your paper and pencil, a whiteboard with a dry erase marker, or even a Google Jamboard if you have access to that. When you're finished, you can look in the description box below to determine if you answered the question correctly. Here's your question. Write fractions to represent how much of each figure is shaded. Are the fractions equal?